You think you know what a robot looks like? Nope. The robots coming next aren't metal. They're not humanoid. Some of them can swim. Some can build skyscrapers. And one might just hang from your bag and stare at you with puppy eyes. And they're all real. Robots aren't just factory machines anymore. They're diversifying in ways that break every stereotype. From worm-inspired surgery bots to construction giants to bag-clinging furry companions, we'll explore how AI is reshaping what robot even means. AI-driven liquid networks, $200 underwater bubble bots, and 20-foot construction hulks are already here, and so is a robot that bow at strangers. Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome to Not So Techie. We're dedicated to exploring the latest and greatest in technology and scientific breakthroughs. If you enjoy this type of content, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button for us. All right, let's jump into it. When most people hear the word robot, they think of the usual suspects: towering machines in factories, mechanical arms on assembly lines, or maybe a sleek android from a sci-fi film. But here's the twist. The fastest growing field in robotics is soft, flexible, sometimes even edible. And they're not just cute gimmicks, they're changing surgery, saving coral reefs, and literally building our cities. Today, we're diving into a world that's often been locked inside the pages of science fiction: robotics. But forget the clanky, humanoid machines you're imagining. The future of robots is far more diverse, surprising, and, in some cases, a little squishy. Daniela Russ, director of MIT's Computer Science and Artificial Intelligence Lab, once asked a brilliant question: if you have a mechanism that's made out of paper and that moves, is that a robot or not? If you have an origami flower that you attach to a motor, is it a robot? To me, it's a robot. That's the beauty. A robot can be anything that moves and performs a function. And thanks to advances in AI brainpower, they're now venturing far beyond factories, into homes, shops, hospitals, construction sites, even deep under the ocean. By 2030, 80% of humans are expected to interact with AI-powered autonomous robots daily. So today, I'm showing you 3 robots you've probably never imagined. Each one wildly different, each one shaping the future in ways you'll want to see. And trust me, the last one is nothing like what you think a robot should be. Let's start big, and I mean really big. Meet Zyrex, a 20-foot-tall, AI-powered construction giant from Robotics. This isn't a slow-moving, single-task machine. Zyrex can swap tools to lift steel beams 1 minute, weld metal the next, and 3D print concrete walls after that. It has 26 degrees of freedom, think robot yoga, and is run by Vision Language Action AI, so you can literally tell it what to do in plain English. Why it matters? Construction is facing a shortage of over 400,000 skilled workers in the US alone. Plus, it's one of the deadliest jobs in the world. Zyrex can step in for the dangerous parts, work 24/7, and build at speeds humans can't match. Case in point, its predecessor, 3D, printed a 5,000 square foot warehouse extension in just 7 days, saving 75% of time and 80% of skilled labor. Oh, and it costs under $1 million, or you can lease it for less than $20,000 a month. And if you think this is just about buildings, think again. Smart cities like Dubai's Sustainable City 2.0 are designing entire urban environments where AI will manage energy, detect water leaks before you see them, and run fleets of autonomous vehicles. This isn't just a robot. It's part of a plan to make cities think for you. Now for my favorite, the robots that feel like worms. MIT's Daniela Russ is pioneering soft robotics, robots made of flexible materials like silicone or even sausage casing. Why? Because soft robots can go where hard robots can't, like inside your body. Her team made a robot that could be used for non-invasive surgeries, and yes, theoretically eaten afterwards. Underwater, she's tackling the problem of big, expensive robots with $200 bubble bots. These little spheres use LiDAR, the same tech in self-driving cars, to map their surroundings and move with thrusters. Cheap enough to lose, smart enough to explore coral reefs and shipwrecks. Powering all this is something called liquid networks. AI models inspired by the neurons of a worm. Unlike huge AI models, these can run on a smartphone, yet still understand complex environments. And here's the wild part. They've built text-to-robot, AI. You can literally type, "Build me a robot that can pour lemonade," and the AI will generate the design. One prompt already produced a 3-finger robotic hand that can operate a syringe. Imagine hospitals with plug-and-play robot arms for any medical tool. And now, the least expected robot of the bunch. Meet Mirumi, a furry, clip-on robot from Yukai Engineering that hugs your back strap like a sloth and bow at people walking by. It has sensors to track movement and distance, so it knows when you tap it, move your bag, or if someone comes too close. It'll even hide its face when shy, and if you jiggle it too much, it'll shake its head like it's saying, "Nope." Why does this matter in a world of serious robots? Because not all tech has to solve world hunger to be meaningful. Mirumi's job is to make you smile, and sometimes that's the best interface between humans and machines. Crowdfunding launched mid-2025, and yes, I kind of want one. So, 3 robots, 3 completely different visions of the future. A construction Hulk that could build tomorrow's smart cities. Soft robots and worm-inspired AI that could save lives and explore our oceans. And a bag-hugging fuzzball that just wants to make your day better. The point? Robotics is no longer one shape, one purpose, or one industry. It's becoming everything, everywhere. Which of these robots would you want in your life? The giant, the genius, or the goofball? Drop your pick in the comments, and don't forget, a like helps us beat the algorithm robots. A share makes you the cool tech friend, and subscribing keeps you plugged into the weirdest, smartest tech stories. This is Not So Techie, and the future just got a whole lot stranger. See you next time.